Everyone, a couple new Black Friday specials here. So first up, this is the BMW 3.0 CSL. You'd call it an homage. This is a car to celebrate the original 1970s 3.0 CSL, but on the updated, newer M4 platform, which is the G82 in BMW speak. These were a limited production in real life. I think they made 50 of them. These were very expensive, kind of one-off builds, a lot of carbon fiber, I think maybe even carbon fiber body panels. But yeah, this is sealed resin. This is by Top Speed. You can make out the interior. I think that's an actual manual transmission. You had the famous carbon fiber buckets that aren't exactly comfortable. And this is the livery that the original 70s 3.0 CSL had with this big wing. Kind of a neat looking car. There's the typical gigantic nostrils that are on the current M4. This had a 3-liter twin turbo straight six, a derivative of the S58, comfortably into the 500s for horsepower. They were pretty quick cars. They were rear-wheel drive, not based on the X-Drive. Pretty neat. Complaints, if any, I think the carbon fiber decals or water transfer is a little sloppy in places under there. Same on the side. Little sloppy. But this retailed for like up to $250. I think that's a bit much for a Top Speed car. But again, Mint Models was wheeling and dealing. And with coupon codes, I think this was like $70 at that price. I'm very much not mad at it. I'd like a little bit more open meshes for the tires, wheels, and brakes. I would like if the drilled rotors actually had the holes through them. You can see they do not. Makes them look a little two-dimensional to me. Otherwise, really good-looking car. I think they're the only ones that make this model. It's a run of $999. It's not numbered. It just says one of $999. It is officially licensed by BMW. But yeah, pretty neat piece. It did sell out relatively quickly on Mint Models. So I don't think you can go over there and get one right now, not that price. This is the typical Top Speed packaging of a black window box. It does say BMW M4 3.0 CSL. So yeah, I think a pretty good score at that price. The same week, once again, Mint Models, another resin car. This one by Techno Model. This is the Mark I McLaren Elva. They brought that name Elva back a couple years ago for another kind of one-off semi-street, semi-race car. But this is the original. This is the original Elva. So again, sealed resin, but relatively high quality. You've got the fabric seat belts with photo etch detailing. You've got a little bit of simulated engine detail with these velocity stacks. A variety of different V8s were offered in these. Ford V8s, Chevy small blocks, Oldsmobile V8s, 4 or 5.500 horsepower in a 2,000-pound car. So these were not slow. This is marked as a 1965. Even has the exposed spare tire in a very interesting place. You have a metal photo etched rear spoiler. Look at the gauges. The gauge cluster is pretty good. Yeah, I don't really, I didn't really know of this car before this model. You have, I think, yeah, this is relatively open meshes, or at least metal mesh in the front. But yeah, pretty neat piece. I have more room in my race car collection, so I've been buying more race cars lately, some more mesh in the back. This has a crazy high retail of like $300. They really don't make many of these. This, I think I paid between $60 and $70 with all the coupons. Again, for Mint Models. That price, I'm not mad at it. Last time package here, you've got your outer Techno Model sleeve. This is the Mythos series, apparently. That is how it's marked. If we open up the box, shake it loose. And then you've got a nice kind of micro suede base with a ID tag, and it shows the run of 90 cars. If you can read that, it's car number 47 of 90. So that's a pretty small run, which is definitely neat. And again, I paid like $60 or $70 for it. Kind of can't go wrong. So yep, that's it for today. Again, I'm gonna keep on posting every day till Christmas, all of these Black Friday scores. And so yeah, tune in tomorrow. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.